Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to check or cancel your subscription in Twitch. Now, in order to check or cancel the subscription, you just simply have to open your Twitch application at very first, and after opening the Twitch, you will get to see this profile picture icon into the top left. Just simply tap into that option and then you will get the option of subscriptions into the second row directly. Just simply tap into subscriptions option and then you will get all of the subscriptions if you have any. Now, in order to unsubscribe those channels that you have subscribed, you just simply have to open the channel and tap into unsubscribe button, and the channels will successfully be unsubscribed. This way you can easily unsubscribe any channel into Twitch. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.